Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 13th chapter surface area and volume. Already three sums I have completed. Now this is the fourth sum in exercise 13.8. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. What fraction of the earth is the volume of the moon? This is the question given. We will take, let the radius of the earth be r. Let the radius of earth is equal to r. So, diameter of the earth will be diameter of the earth will be 2r. So, the diameter will be 2 times of radius. So, it is 2r. Now, we will take the volume of the question it is given. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. So, that we will substitute now. That is diameter of the moon is equal to 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Okay, so diameter of the moon is equal to 1/4 into diameter of the earth. So what we have taken as the diameter of the earth, that is 2r. So the diameter of the earth is 2r. So what will be the diameter of the moon here? According to the question, if we simplify this, it will be r/2. So that is the diameter of the moon. So what will be the radius? Radius of the moon is equal to diameter divided by 2. So r/2 divided by 2. So we will get r/2 into 1/2. So that is r/4. So this is the radius of the moon. Now the question given is, what fraction of the earth is the volume of the moon? So what fraction of earth is the volume of the moon? Okay, so fraction of earth is equal to volume of the moon. So what is volume of the moon? 4/3 pi r cube. Same way, this fraction into 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, so 4/3 pi will get cancelled. So for this earth, the radius is r cube. So this r cube will be as it is equal to, for this r cube, that is radius of the moon is r/4 the whole cube. So that is equal to r cube by 64. So the fraction is, this r cube and r cube will get cancelled. We'll get the fraction as 1/64. So the fraction of earth is equal to volume of the moon. So the fraction is 1/64. So what fraction is given? So what fraction of the earth is the volume of the moon? So the fraction is 1/64. So this is the 1/64 is the volume of the moon. Next sum is fifth one. How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 hold? So diameter is given as 10.5. Of bowl of 10.5 centimeter hold. So the diameter is 10.5. So we'll get the radius as 10.5/2 centimeter. Okay. So how many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl hold? So volume of the hemisphere is equal to volume of hemisphere is equal to 2/3 pi r cube. So that is 2/3 into 22/7 into r cube is 10.5 by 2, 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2. Okay. So now we will simplify this. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Then 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are, no, 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Okay, then this 2 can be cancelled. Then again this 2, 11. That's all. So when we simplify this, we'll get 11 into 3.5 into 1.5 into 10.5 divided by 2. So now we will multiply all these things. 35 into 11, 35, 35. So 385 will come into 15. 5 5s are 25, 2, 8 5s are 40 plus 2, 42, 4. 5 3s are 15 plus 4, 90. Then 385. 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7, 5, 7, 7, 5 into 105. So 5 5s are 25, 7 5s are 35, 36, 37, 3, 35, 38, 3, 5 5s are 25, 28. Then 5, 7, 7, 5. If we add, we will get 8 plus 5, 13, 8, 8, 16, 10, 606.375. 3 decimal places we have. So 606.375 divided by 2. So we'll get, when we divide it by 2, we'll get 303.2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14. Why? So we can close this as 303.19 centimeter cube. Okay, we are asked to find the answer in liters. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So when we divide this by 1000, we will get the answer in liters. That is equal to 0.303 liters. So since we are asked to find the answer in liters, so 0.303 liters we will get. Okay. Next sum is, a hemispherical tank is made up of an iron sheet 1 centimeter thick. So a hemispherical tank is there. So that is made up of, so like this we are having, the thickness is there. Is made up of iron sheet 1 centimeter thick. So the thickness is given as 1 centimeter. If the inner radius is 1 meter, inner radius is 1 meter, this is 1 meter, inner radius is 1 meter, find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. So we are asked to find the volume of this iron used. So only this part we are asked to find. Volume of that part we are asked to find. So radius of that is inner radius, we can take it as inner radius. Inner radius is equal to 1 meter and outer radius is equal to 1 plus 1 meter and 1 centimeter it is given. So 1 plus 0.01 meter. So that is equal to 1.01 meter. It is given 1 meter plus 1 centimeter. So 1 meter we will keep it as it is. 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meter. So 1 by 100 we have to write it as 0.01 meter. So this is 1.01 meter. That is how we got this. So this is inner radius and this one is the outer radius. So we are asked to find the volume of the iron used. So volume of iron used is equal to 2 by 3, since it is hemisphere, 2 by 3 pi r cube minus 2 by 3 pi r cube. So this r is for the outer radius and this small r is for the inner radius, r minus r. So this we will take it as inner radius, we will take it as small r, and the outer radius we will take it as capital R, just for our understanding. So this is 2 by 3 pi, we will take it common, and then r cube minus r cube. So this is equal to 2 by 3 pi into r cube. Capital R is 1.01 the whole cube minus small r is 1 cube. Okay, so this is equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 1.01. 3 times we need to multiply. So 1.01, 1.01. So this is 101, then 101. So 10201 into one more time, 101. So this is 10201, 0 and this one, then 201, 10201. So when we add this 1030301, this is the answer. So this is 6 decimal places. So 2, 4, 6. We get the answer as 1.030301. We get it as 1.030301 minus 1. So now we will subtract this. 1.030301 minus 1. So we'll get like this, 0, 0. So when we subtract this, we'll get 0.030301. So this is equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.030301. Okay, so now this one we will simplify. When we cancel this, we will get 0.010100. Okay, this one when we are dividing it by 3, we will get like that only. Only this 3 and this 3 will be there. After that zeros, then further we may be getting 3 and all. Okay, so we will leave that. So this one is 44. 2 into 22 is 44. So 0.0101 into 00 only, then we will leave that 44. So 4 ones are 4, 0, 4, 0. Then again 4 ones are 4, 0, 4, 0. So 4, 4, 4, 4. We get like this. So 4 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 0.4444 we will get. 0.4444 divided by 7. So 0.4444 divided by 7 is 0.0. 7 6 are 42. Remainder is 24. 7 3s are 21. Remainder 3, 4. 7 5s are 30. 35 won't come. Then 7 4s are 28. We will get 7 4s are 28. So 60 again. Then 7 8s are 56. 4. So we will stop with this. So we will get the answer as 0.06348 meter cube. Okay. So this much is the iron used to make the tank. 0.06348 meter cube of iron is used to make the tank. Okay. So with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.